Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of vectors, exercise 5.3, that is question number 2. If we take two vectors, that is a bar and b bar are two vectors perpendicular to each other, then prove that modulation of a bar plus b bar square is equal to modulation of a bar minus b bar square. In answer, that is two vectors given here. We have a bar and b bar, and that two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, given that a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other, these two vectors are perpendicular to each other, that is given, and prove that the values of when the two vectors are perpendicular, at that time its dot product is 0. We know that the property. Therefore, we write here property, that is a bar dot b bar is equal to 0, or it is also we denote b bar dot a bar is equal to 0. We will give equation number first. Now we take the above equation left hand side, that is LHS is equal to modulation of a bar plus b bar square. Okay, we have already studied about the property, that is modulation of a bar square is equal to a bar dot a bar, or that is equal to a square. We have already studied about, that is, then we put here modulation of a bar square is equal to a bar dot a bar, or it is also denote a square. With the help of this property, then we write modulation of a bar plus b bar square is equal to, in bracket, a bar plus b bar into a bar plus b bar. Then we solve. Then we multiply a bar to this bracket. Therefore, a bar dot a bar, we write here a bar dot a bar plus a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot a bar, then plus b bar dot b bar. From equation first, we know that the a bar dot b bar is equal to 0, or b bar dot a bar is equal to 0. Therefore, we put this value in above equation with the help of equation number first. Then we write is equal to a bar dot a bar plus a bar dot b bar is 0 plus b bar dot a bar is 0 plus b bar dot b bar, with the help of from equation number first. We will write. Then we write remaining term, that is a bar dot a bar, we get a square, plus b bar dot b bar, we get b square. We will give equation number second. That is our left hand side. Then we take here RHS, that is modulation of a bar minus b bar square. Then we write here a bar minus b bar square. It is also we write with the help of its property, that is a bar minus b bar into a bar minus b bar in two brackets is equal to a bar minus b bar into a bar minus b bar. We multiply and we get a bar dot a bar, then plus a bar minus b bar, we write here minus a bar dot b bar, then minus b bar plus a bar, then you write minus b bar into a bar, then minus minus plus b bar dot b bar. We already know that the value of a bar dot b bar and b bar dot a bar is 0, then put here is equal to a bar dot a bar is a square minus 0 plus b bar dot b bar is b square is equal to a square plus b square. We write with the help of from equation number first. That is our RHS is equal to a square plus b square. We will give equation number 3. From equation second and third we get value of both the equations is equal, that is a square plus b square or a square plus b square. Therefore, from equation second and equation third we write LHS is equal to RHS. That is, we know that LHS and RHS, that is a bar plus b bar square is equal to modulation of a bar minus b bar square. Hence proved. Its values are equal. When we solve, then we get its values equal. Then the next question number 3, that is question number 3 is find the values of C so that for all real x the factors, that is xc I cap minus 6j cap plus 3k cap and xi cap plus 2j cap plus 2c x into k cap make an obtuse angle. When these two factors make an obtuse angle, find the values of C. In answer, we write the first given factors, that is suppose first factor we take a bar is equal to xci cap minus 6j cap plus 3k cap and b bar is equal to xi cap plus 2j cap plus 2cx k cap. We take its factor a bar and b bar. We know that the property of two factors perpendicular, at that time its dot product is less than 0, then make an angle is obtuse angle, that is less than 0 when its value of dot product. Now we know that a bar dot b bar is less than 0, condition is less than 0, at that time it makes the obtuse angle and it is in given. Then we put the value of a bar and b bar of above equation. Then we write a bar, that is xci cap minus 6j cap plus 3k cap into b bar, that is xi cap plus 2j cap plus 2cx k cap, that is value is less than 0. Then we solve, we multiply here. First we multiply xci into whole bracket, then we write xc into x into I cap dot I cap, then plus 2xc into I cap into j cap, then plus 2c square, that is cc, then x square x into x and into I cap dot k cap. Then we multiply second term minus 6j. Minus 6j into xi, we get minus 6x into j cap into I cap. Then minus plus, we get minus 6 into 2, 12, j cap dot j cap. Then 6 into 2 minus 12, c x j cap dot k cap. And last term we multiply, then we get 3k into xi, that is plus 3x I cap into k cap, plus 6, 3 into 2 6, k cap dot j cap, plus 3 into 2 6, c x k cap dot k cap, that is less than 0. Then we know that the values of same vectors dot product is 1 and opposite vectors dot product is 0. That is I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap and k cap dot k cap, that is 1. Then put here the values. Suppose that is I cap dot I cap, j cap dot j cap and k cap dot k cap. All the values are 1. And we take opposite, suppose I cap dot j cap dot k cap and k cap dot j cap, its values are 0. Put the values of above equation and we write it as, then I cap dot I cap is 1. Then we get x c I cap, x into x, that is x square. Therefore we write here c x square into 1, that is cx square. Okay. Then here plus 0 because I cap dot j cap, then here I cap dot k cap also 0, then j cap dot I cap minus 0, then j cap dot j cap we also write here plus, that is j cap dot j cap is 1 and minus 12, that is minus 12 into 1 we get minus 12. Then minus 12 c x j cap dot k cap, that is minus 0. Then plus here I cap dot k cap 0. Then plus 6 k cap dot j cap 0. And last term, that is 6 c x k cap dot k cap. Then 6 c x k cap dot k cap, that is value 1, that is less than 0. Then we write remaining terms, 0 cancels, then we get cx square minus 12 plus 6cx is less than 0. Therefore the value of c is less than 0 and we know that b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We put the values here in the place of b square, that is 6c is b square. Then 6c square minus 4 into c minus 12, that is less than 0. We solve and write 6c square, we get square of 6, that is 36. Therefore value of c is, here also c is less than 0 and c is less than 0. Therefore 6c square we get 36c square plus 48c, that is less than 0. Therefore c is less than 0. We take common term, that is 12c, remaining term right here, 3c plus 4 is less than 0. Value of 3c plus 4 is less than 0. Therefore 3c plus 4 is greater than 0. We take at that time 3c is greater than minus 4 and only value of c, that is greater than minus 4 divided by 3. But given c is less than 0, c is less than 0 we denote in number line that is belongs to minus number. Therefore, C belongs to minus 4 divided by 3 to 0. That belongs to minus 4 divided by 3 to 0 point. Okay, we will stop here.